There it stands in the corner with the barrels so straight. I look out the window and over the gate. The big fat rabbits are jumping in the grass. Wait till they hear my old shotgun blast. Shotgun boogie, I done saw your track. Look out, Mr. Rabbit, when I cock my hammer back. Well, over on the ridge is a scaly bark. Hickory nuts so big you can see them in the dark. The big fat squirrels, they scratch and they fight. I'll be on that ridge before daylight. Shotgun boogie, I don't need but one shot. Look out, bushy tail, tonight you'll be in the pot. Gal, she was tall and thin. I asked her what she had, she said a Fox 410. I looked her up and down and said, boy, this is love. We headed for the brush to shoot a big fat dove. Shotgun boogie, boy, the feathers flew. Look out, Mr. Dove, when she draws a bead on you. I sit down on a log, took her on my lap. She said, wait a minute, bud, you got to see my pap. You got a 16-gauge choked down like a rifle. Don't want a man that's gonna trifle. Shotgun boogie draws a bead so fine. Look out, big boy, he's loaded all the time. Like a gentleman oughter, he said, no brush hunter's gonna get my daughter. He cocked back the hammer right on the spot. When the gun went off, I outrun the shot. Shotgun boogie, I wanted wedding bells. I'll be back, little gal, when your pappy runs out of shell.